for y'all. It is my first video, so bear with me. I'm sure I look a little bit crazy if you've never seen me in my natural habitat before getting ready. For my first video, I am just going to show you guys getting ready with me. I am not a makeup artist. I do wig styling, so in fact it is just to show you guys like how I get ready, how quick and easy it is to put on these wigs. I didn't want this to be a long video, but I'm rambling already. So I would start with this Beauty Counter foundation. I have it in the shade Mocha. Today was wash day, so I do have my hair in a bun, which look, I should be wavy. I should be on. I have the Beauty Counter. I'm gonna go ahead and squirt it on the back of my hand. I have a little brush here, so I will go ahead and dab it on with that. It is a foundation and it's called a tint skin, so I think that it's just supposed to be like a lightweight, more so moisturizer versus just like a true foundation. I do already like the consistency with this, so we'll see. I don't know, y'all. Right now, I'm looking alright. Your girl looking a little glowy, so you know. Oh, sorry, y'all. Happy New Year, by the way. I guess that should have been the first thing that I said, but I was a little excited to shoot this video. And like I said, I was trying to set up this equipment for so long that I figured, let's go ahead and get it sorted. So normally I don't wear foundation, one, because I'm very low maintenance, and so I usually just don't do anything that requires too much. I am very much so a eyeliner and mascara kind of girl. I will show you guys on camera like what I do to get my eyeliner. I normally do a cat eye. I feel like I am coated. I feel real glowy. Let me turn towards y'all so y'all can get into this foundation. Ooh, child, these bags look crazy. It's okay. Okay. Where did I put it? Bam. So I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. The color is Amande. So yeah, you can pick it up from Nordstrom, which is where I got this one. I'm pretty sure Sephora and MAC also have it. I have plenty of friends that do this, and more so I just learned from them. They give me tips. Shout out to my girl Hit by Helen. She'll get you right. I did not get my brows done. I was at the nail shop and they had a lot going on, and then they said that they would get to me, and I said I'd come back, and I didn't. So it just is what it is. I'm not really tripping. These two colors seem to go well together. I'm just lining my brows so that it does look like I did something to them. I'm kind of here for this mocha. Blend out my concealer under the eye, because again, these bags was looking a little wild. And I'm hoping that it's a quick video, because I do not want to have one of those videos where y'all feel like y'all have to fast forward through it all, but I know I'll be talking. I know myself, so let's see. Okay, looking real brown skin, glowish. Okay, I just figured if I was going to show you guys what my hair was hitting for, that I might as well have it on, feel myself a little bit, and then take it off. You guys know how it goes. Like I said, New Year, same me. I'm really just trying to start my own wig business. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, if you don't already, follow me on Instagram. It is Wigs by Shanice, SHANICE. Follow if you've ever purchased any wigs from me. Please tag me. I want to see anything that you ladies have gotten going on. If y'all wear it for New Year's, sis, like I said, send me pictures. I would love it. Okay, there we go. So, I hope y'all can still hear me. My heater just kicked on, so that's what that is. I use the $2 e.l.f. eyeliner. I am pretty loyal to this one though, just because it does exactly what I need it to. So I just line the top of my eyes. Again, I bring Q-tips. It's also really hard for me to talk while I'm doing my eyeliner, so if I get real silent on y'all, that's what it is. My eyeliner is a little bit dramatic, but again, I'm kind of extra, so, you know. Go back, fill it in. Make sure your girl's lines are even. And move on before I mess up this one. What always happens is one eye comes out perfect, which everybody always says they're twins, they're not sisters, or maybe that's about your brows. I want mine to be twins, always. So let's see. Let's see if I'm a one take Drake today. Okay. Alright. Let's even it out, y'all. Fail. But let me go through and clean it up with a little bit of Q-tip. There we go. Much better. Go through, make it a little bit thicker. Hopefully this time I don't mess up again. Perfect. We on. Sorry, y'all, I got that from my boyfriend. We were laughing because I told him to try not to come out while I'm recording. Which is funny because I feel like normally he has like nothing to say until I start to like make any kind of like Instagram video. This is the NARS Taj Mahal in a blush. It is orange. It's not for anything other than letting y'all really get into this glow. I'm not doing this for anybody other than myself. So yeah. It's like three highlights. But I always start with my NARS. So I have my NARS in South Beach. I swipe down my nose, across here, across my cheek like y'all do. A little bit up top, a little here. And then this is what I do for this one. I have the Fenty Beauty Stick in Rum's nose, across my nose, cheek here, and then here. And a little bit under my brows for, again, just a little bit of glow. So I just start with this and then I blend it on out. It's Jeffree Star Cosmetics in the Dark Horse. This is what I use to pretty much boost everything else. Get into, yeah, so it's still wet from when I did it the first time, and I just tamped the sides of my nose because I got a little bit carried away, and now I'm out here looking like the Tin Man. She's looking a little right out here. And I'm using the Falsies by Maybelline. I also am going to hopefully apply my wig on camera. It's a little bit crazy. It's honestly just because I'm wearing a different wig and it might just have a little bit of a different makeup on it. But I'm gonna go ahead and try to fix that hopefully on camera for you. Okay. Fenty Beauty always gets me right. This one is in Fussy. Also, ignore my mannequin head, it looks real raggedy. So this is a wig that I made. It's a curly unit. I have been rocking it for a little bit, so if you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen it. What this unit looks like. I do have an adjustable band on this one, as well as 2 clips in the back, just because I wanted to be able to secure it. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of that Beauty Counter foundation, since I do feel like it matches so perfectly with my skin, under the bottom of it. So I've never done it without a mirror, so we'll see what it looks like here. And I flip it on like so, and then pull this back and over. Nothing crazy. I'm going to clip underneath here, and this is just for me and my extra security. I think I've learned enough times to not be out here. So this is what it looks like, not glued down, not completely secured, and you gotta pull it up a little bit, but this is it. Let me go ahead and just spray some of this Got to Be down. Okay. You want to let it dry and kind of get tacky. It gets really, really sticky, you guys. So as soon as that happens, you just put your wig down. So I just let it dry and do its thing. I really like this unit, you guys. If y'all know me, I do not do curly hair. At least not big and curly. I do wavy, I'll do straight, all types of things. But I don't know, I've just never felt like I've been able to pull a curly off and it look natural on me. So of course, with this being my first YouTube video, I didn't think to check to make sure it was still recording, and the ending did not make it. So here are a couple of videos and pictures of what it looks like, the finished process. I will go back, you guys, and upload another one, but please like down below and subscribe, comment anything that you might have. I know the video is a little blurry, but yeah, thanks for watching.